how's it going? Ronnie the Rockstar Video Marketer here. So if you've been looking for a new traffic source, this just might be your ticket. If this is your first time here and you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe if you like my content. And go ahead and leave a comment below. This will help the YouTube algorithm to help others find this video that can help them as well. So this new site is called Scaleup. So it's not a new site, but it's new to me. And what it is a modernized type of traffic exchange or safe list type of site. And this works on coinage. So when you click the links on this one, you're going to get coins. You take those coins and you can use them for your own ads. Text-based and banner ads together. And you can put your affiliate links, or if you're just trying to build your list or whatever, this is a great site to do that on. Okay? So if you're interested in checking it out, I'm going to leave the link in the description and I'm going to pin it in the first comment so you can sign up under me. So what do I get if you sign up under me? I get 1,000 coins and you're going to get 200 coins, okay? And I'm going to show you how to set up your ads right now in this video. I'm also going to show you everything in the dashboard and whatnot, how the site works. And I'm also going to show you how you can make your first 1,000 coins very easily just by clicking links, okay? It's not hard and it doesn't take long. So you'll have the same amount of coins that I get if you sign up under me very quickly. Plus, there's a referral plan in here. You can also win cash in here. So it's a lot of cool stuff. Like I said, it's modernized for the traffic exchange sites that you have seen in the past. So it's pretty cool. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you everything in the dashboard here. You have some cool analytics that shows you impressions, interactions. People can send you messages in here. You have to have a certain amount of coins to answer them, and it explains all of that in the site as well. So let's just go over the sidebar here first so you have Discover. Click on this. This will show you some ads, okay? When you click on these ads, you scroll down here. It says coin rewards. It'll give you a little percentage ratio on if you're going to get more coins to find. Click on that. It'll show you the next ad. Another cool thing of doing this is you could find other cool traffic sources as well by clicking on their links in here and go and check out what they have to offer. So pretty cool, like a win-win, right? So I'm going to click these until I get to my first little percentage ratio here where I get some coins, just to show you how that works. So it might take a little while here, a couple of clicks I'm going to have to get through. While we're doing that, I'm going to go through some other things here. So you have the messages tab when you post an ad and people want to, ask you some questions maybe about what your ad is, how the program works or whatnot, and you can answer them. I think you need 3,000 coins to do that. But again, you can make that in no time whatsoever. It doesn't take long. Just keep clicking here. Okay, so you got your messages tab, but let's stick to the Discover tab for a little while here so we can show you what it looks like when you get coins and how much you get. So pay attention here. I have 5,371 coins, right? I also have an ad running, so it may go down while I'm doing this. So it's showing 10% chance of finding new coins. So you have the wallet, your contest, your referrals, landing pages, ad plan, post, and messages, okay? I have 10 posts maybe on here already. As far as I know, you can do unlimited posts. But remember, as more posts that you have that are running, it's going to cost you more in coins as you go. You can also put the amount of coins you want them to take out per day or whatnot. Okay, so I'm at 6% here. So I'm probably not going to make you wait till I get to the amount of clicks, but it doesn't take long, maybe 5 minutes at the most, and you'll discover some coins already, okay? Sometimes 700 coins, sometimes 1,000 coins, sometimes 300, 200. It just depends on what it gives you. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this video to where I get my first coin, so you don't have to keep watching me click these links. But this is how you basically do it, right? Pretty simple and straightforward. Okay, so as you can see, I found coins. So it gave me 400 coins. As I said, it's going to give you more or less depending on how it wants to do it. It gives you, random amounts of coins. It's been added to my wallet. And I also received a plus 4%, 16 additional coins as activity streak bonus. So this little thing right here. I'm going to talk about this right now since it's showing up here. So this is called your activity streak bonus. This increases by 1 point each day as long as you're clicking links and finding coins. So you have to log in each day and do this. If you don't, it's going to restart to 0. But that's not going to take away your coins. It's just going to take away your streak bonus. Okay. So you get bonuses, as you can see here. I got a plus 4% bonus. So it gave me some additional coins just for, continuing this. When I first started this, I was doing 20,000 coins per day clicking, okay? And I was up to 27, I think, was my highest. And by doing this also enters you in this contest here. So you're going to be getting even more higher on the rankings, as you can see right here. So the more you do that, because the more that you have here every day and the more coins you generate, the higher you're going to go up on this leaderboard. So as you can see, the contest is 1,290 USD. I made $5 in here so far. I'm not really pushing for that. The more referrals you get and the more coins you get pushes you up on that ladder. So it's a weekly contest, as you can see, 5 days here. You can also purchase coins if you don't want to be clicking all day long in here. That's up to you, right? So again, I'll leave that link in the description below and in the first pinned comment. Okay, so let's just go over the main dashboard here so we can get familiar with what everything is. So here's where your posts are going to be. So I think you can do unlimited posts in here. But just keep in mind, the more posts that you're going to be running, the more coinage that it's going to use up very quickly if you don't submit the amount of coins you want to use per day. And I'll show you how to do that too. So you have landing page. So this is a new feature that they just put in place. I'm going to show you that right quick. So I went ahead and configured one right here, as you can see, for my Cash Pillars product. So let me show you what that looks like. And this is the one that I used. You first set these up, create new page here. It's going to give you a little choice that you could use on which one you want, and you can edit it, the text and whatnot, the colors and different things. And it gives you your link here where people will go to opt into your list. So they're not finished completing this yet. They still have to add in the autoresponder section, and they haven't done that yet. So let me go back here. So as you can see here, they still have to add in the autoresponder section. It says not set, coming soon. So they're still working on that feature. But as of right now, you could still set up your opt-in page that you want to use. And as soon as they get this set up, then you can set up your autoresponder stuff. So pretty cool. All right, so let's go over here to ad plan. So as I said, you can do for free, you could do the text. You could do a banner ad with the text in there and your links, right? You could use affiliate links or just build your list or whatnot. Now, at the time of making this video, as I said, when we just checked out, there's no autoresponder here, but you can use another free autoresponder like Leads Leap to get this working right now, okay? Now, I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video. So as I said, you can do some paid things inside this site instead of just using the free version. If you wanted to add some video posts, you could do that as well. So that's pretty cool. Let me show you right quick. So here's the advertising plans they have. This shows you how much it is per month or monthly. And this is going to give you a certain amount of coins to use per month. So you don't have to click all day long if you don't want to. So for instance, for the 29, you get 2,500 coins daily, a bronze check mark, 1 Telegram post per day, and you get a custom page redirect. So as I mentioned, if you want to do the video post, you have to do the $59 a month or the $99 a month. But with this, you get 10,000 coins daily, a silver check mark, 2 Telegram posts per day, custom page redirect, the video post, 6 chats per day. And like I said, you could check all this out on your own time, see what interests you, or you could keep using the free version for now, start building up your list and whatnot. It's up to you. We already went over the landing pages here. Here's your referrals. So once you, as I said, if you use the link in my description, you're going to get 200 coins, right? 100 coins plus 100 extra coins. I'm going to get 1,000 coins. And if you sign up under me and you refer someone else, you're going to get the 1,000 coins and they're going to get the 200 100 coins to get started. You can also earn money from the referral program here, so it's pretty cool. You can unlock bonuses one by one and earn more than $1,200 a month. Now here's the qualification status here. It says only qualified referrals count towards the calculation of the cash bonus. A user must find a total of at least 1,000 coins, again, while browsing posts on the Discover page to become a qualified referral. So make sure that your users, if you're going to make a video like I'm doing here, make sure that they get that 1,000 coins by clicking the little buttons under the browsing post like I just showed you a little bit earlier. So you might want to talk about that in your video. So in the affiliate program, you can earn lifetime commissions from your referral across 2 levels. Earn up to 50% from the first level and 5% from the second level on all purchases made by your network. Get a total of 5 qualified referrals and start earning affiliate commissions. So when they do upgrade to different things in here, you start getting referral money as well. So that's pretty cool. Let's go check out the contest page here. So as you can see, you can win cash prizes with the Scaleup contest. And they give away $1,200 USD every week, guys, okay? By viewing posts, as I showed you earlier, and referring new users. So getting new referral links in, right? New people under you. So as you can see right here, this is where I am right now. I haven't been clicking. Lately, I've been doing other things, mostly affiliate reviews and stuff. But I made it to the top 10 position. And that's when I was doing 20,000 clicks, well, finding 20,000 coins per day. I did Monday through Friday. I did 100,000 coins per week, and I got to the top 10 position. So that was pretty cool. Like I said, this is the prize pool. You could scroll down here. It'll show you the rankings and whatnot, the prizes, your previously results here. So it's pretty cool analytics. So that's pretty cool about the site. Okay, and here's your wallet. As you can see, I have $5 in here, USD, and my total balance of coins right now shows you more transaction analytics right here, coins found. I'm going to show you the coins. Like I said, it's random each time. So I had 416 here, 624 here, 384. So as you can see, it's pretty random on how it gives them to you. So after you click the link in the description or in that first pinned comment, you're going to come to the page that looks like this. All you do is click on the create free account button, fill in your details, and you can get started immediately. You're going to see your coins inside the little open. When you get to the dashboard, you're going to see your coins show up right here, the 200 free coins, so you can place an ad and get started right away. Okay, so let's go ahead now. I'm going to show you how to get started doing your first post. So I just counted how many posts that I have in here, and it's actually 20, and I could still create more. So I'm pretty sure it's unlimited. But remember, like I said, you don't want to be having 20 ads run at one time unless you got a crap load of coins, because they're going to go down fast. So let me show you how to create one. So it's really simple to create your first post. You just click on create post button. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the edit on this one so you can kind of see what it's going to look like. So this is basically how it's going to look when you set up your first post. So you're going to add your text in this box. You can optionally add an image. I like adding images, right? Because it's better for click-through ratios. So you can go ahead and add that in. As you can see, I'm promoting map in this post here. You put your link here, usadigi.com/MAP. And you got country targeting in this box here. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. And it uses 16 between 25 coins on average. You can also set your daily spend of how much coins you want to spend here. And you can even give your post a name. Okay, that's optional. And you submit it. All right, so let me show you how to set it up and what it would look like. So I'm going to just redo that ad that we just had. Map, right? So I'm just going to copy and paste in here to speed up the video. So done for your affiliate system, pays you daily income. Check it out here, usadigi.com/map. So we're promoting the map program. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and upload my banner here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and copy the link into our destination down here. Okay, so that way if they click the banner here, that's going to go ahead and send them to the site, or they'll be able to click the link here as well. That's why this box is optional. If you want the picture to be clickable, that's what this box is for, okay? You can also target the different types. Right now, it's targeting all countries, and it's going to be using, it's saying, between 4 and 30 coins for this particular post. You can also set your daily spin limit here. You only want to do 300 coins per day, 1,000 coins per day, depending on how many coins you have. You could set that limit here. Okay, you can name your post. I'm just going to put map system. And now I post this, okay? It's showing in review. Okay, so if your little dot shows green, that means it's going to become active as soon as it's reviewed, okay? They're going to review it, and then they're going to make it active. So make sure before you do your post that you read the policy terms and stuff, because you don't want to be doing anything illegal on this site. You don't want to be promoting that nonsense stuff like porn or whatnot, or they're going to shut you down real quick. Now, how this works, it's going to be in review here. Okay, as soon as they read your ads, they're going to read it and click your links, make sure everything's working right and it's not illegal stuff. They're going to go ahead and approve it, right? And it's going to become active. If you don't want it to be active right away, just click the little dot here. It'll go white, and that means it's not going to be active. It's going to be inactive, okay? I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because I already have it, but that was just to show you how to set it up, okay? Alrighty, let's go back to the dashboard here. So the reason I wanted to share this little video tutorial with you is because there's no tutorials whatsoever inside here. No PDFs, no videos, no nothing. It shows you how to set things up, okay? So that's why I wanted to do that for you so you could get started right away. Now, I do have a premium course based on Scaleup on how to use some advanced tactics to where you could get better conversions and more signups, okay? I'm going to also show you a specific tactic inside here on one of these analytics to what you can do right now today to get better conversion rates. And this is very important because if you don't know how to do what I'm going to show you in this video, you're going to lose coins very quickly. You're going to be wasting coins basically, okay? So you need to know this stuff. So that's going to be in that premium video. I'm also going to show you how to go ahead and use AI to even better those conversion rates, okay? And I'm going to show you, if you don't have an autoresponder, how to set up one for free and start using that in conjunction with Scaleup, okay? So you can start building your list right now today. Now, this little premium course, it's only one video, so it's only going to be $7. Anybody can afford $7, but this is something that's going to help you, and it's going to make you very much more conversion rates if that's the kind of thing you're looking for, okay? So go ahead, I'll leave that link again in the description and in that pinned comment where you could get the premium training. It's going to be called Scaleup Advanced Tactics, okay? So I'll see you in that training, and I hope you enjoyed this video.